So today I'm gonna be pranking my brother and my sisters and like my mom and stuff. I'm gonna just be like gasping, I guess, at different times and like being dramatic about stuff. I'm gonna be like, that's so crazy or something like that, and then I'll be starting talking about that. So make sure like, come share, subscribe, do this prank on whoever. I hope this is gonna be funny. Alright, make sure like, come share, subscribe. Yeah.
What? What? What are you doing? If you do something stupid, I'm gonna slap you.
Like what?
I feel like you're gonna jump on me.
How do you know?
Honey, don't.
She's alive. Who's that? What?
Single person's using it.
Oh my god.
Alex called. Leviathan is disappeared.
Did you hear what's happening?
You did what she said you would. Almost.
What's up, YouTube?
Wait. Did you see that?
See what?
Look.
Bees?
Not just beat. Look. Oh my god, look.
They're fighting? What are we supposed to be looking at? Kidnapper? Nothing.
Yeah. Oh. I just remember something. Look at my look at my camera.
Bro, stop it!
What are you talking about? Boom.
Yo, what you doing now?
Bruh, I got my first check. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. I'm rich. Oh, wait,